Welcome to the world of CRX. From the intoxicating rush of speed to the unleashing of uncontrollable kinetic fury, the aftermath is exposed here. Look deeper, tremble at the physics, and command your hands to hold firm. Strap in, the journey starts now.
Oh god, that was so fucking close.
Distracted driving turns a split second into a disaster. This impact was avoidable if the driver stayed focused on the road. This driver wanted a car wash, but got a massive repair bill instead. DUI is a fast track to losing your life. Even a law-abiding pup can trigger chaos.
Sure.
This collision proves that unexpected obstacles require perfect focus and safe following distances. Extreme velocity and sudden maneuvers are a recipe for a rollover. Gravity doesn't care about your hurry once the roof hits the asphalt.
Whether you're shopping for your mom or
my god!
Faulty brakes turned this semi into a weapon. Witness the terrifying moment. Ordinary people became heroes amidst a burning multi-car collision. Sudden maneuvers lead to catastrophic flips when you don't maintain safe distance. Physics forces you to make a choice that ends in chaos.
Versus really only about 3 or 4 quarterbacks that are in game today. Where that you're not going to get the ball back to Josh Allen. Just not going to do it.
stolen Dodge Ram versus a grocery store. These thieves traded a clean record for an ATM and a permanent spot on the most wanted list. Mechanical glitch or driver error? This sudden lane change turned a routine haul into a high-stakes highway disaster. High speed meets standing water, resulting in a terrifying spin-out. Luck was on their side today, but physics rarely grants second chances. You can see the exact moment anger took over. He wanted to win the race, but ended up totaled against a concrete wall instead. Out of control and into the flames! It's a miracle no one was seriously hurt after this steel giant jumped the barrier and ignited. He's lucky the cow was in a good mood, or that slap would have turned into a massive repair bill. Talk about a nightmare scenario between the Jeep hit and the SUV pileup. This is exactly why highway dividers are so crucial for our safety. Real life just turned into a Final Destination movie. This logging truck took that turn way too fast, sending a nightmare sliding across the intersection. This isn't a GTA mission, it's real life. From armed carjacking to driving the wrong way on the I-75, this suspect pushed every limit before reality caught up. Classic move. This driver almost traded their entire front end just because they couldn't handle missing one exit. Burnouts at a gas pump? That's not a stunt, it's a straight up felony. He tried to bolt, but the footage guaranteed a one-way ticket to jail. She walked away from her moving car, but she won't walk away from the legal consequences of choosing alcohol over situational awareness behind the wheel. Intersections are the most dangerous zones on the road, where a single second of poor observation leads to thousands in mechanical damages. Lucas Jelinski's vehicle defies gravity in a spectacular airborne exit, proving that high-velocity momentum turns any road into a dangerous takeoff ramp. Mechanical failure and massive weight combined to word from human dribble to turn this grain haul into a chaotic sequence of spilled fuel and twisted steel frames. I guess someone missed the physics class. Trying to outrun a cement mixer like this is a fast track to an expensive insurance claim. Out here, we look out for one another. CRX isn't just about crashes. It's about drivers who choose to learn. Subscribe to join a community focused on road mastery and survival. Share this message to protect those you love. Awareness saves lives. Stay alert on the road.